All right, so you're going to go to your picture file, right click on it, go down to the bottom, show more options, select that, select print. Okay, make sure the printer is that ADMAPAP, whatever, the regular printers we always use. Okay, make sure your pictures are 3.5 by 5, somewhere around there. Okay, unselect fit picture to frame, deselect that. Okay, and options and printer properties. And make sure they're in color, not black and white. Okay. And then hit print. Boom, done. Repeat that for all the pictures that you want to print, and go to the printer and print them out.